Hello.
Hi.
So we are at where?
The North University building, University of Michigan.
Dun dun dun, Ann Arbor, Michigan. So we are here. We have my daughter.
Hi.
And my son. Hi. Say hello. Hello.
He's quite happy right now.
He's happy. So he's autistic, so he won't speak much. Oh, but he wants to use the toilet. So we're gonna find that. But we're also gonna walk around in Ann Arbor a little tiny bit with the little bit of time we have. So let's check it all out. So here we are, and we're in this nice, this is like a campus mall right here, so you can see all the university buildings. And we're just gonna do a little 360 here.
And right now, I think we're in Detroit or somewhere around. Back.
We're back. And so the battery overheated. So we're gonna find a bathroom. I think let's go into that big open one over there. I think that's a better space. And basically the boy needs to find a toilet. So we're gonna go over to that direction over there, and we're just gonna take the camera along the way so you can kind of see a little bit of University of Michigan campus. Flip the camera around a little bit. Alright. So we're gonna walk, I think we're gonna walk into here and see if we can find a bathroom, but that's a little bit of University of Michigan. It's July, so there's not many students around, but there's some. Definitely seeing some. Alright. We just came into this little setting right here. This looks really nice. This looks really cool. So we're looking for a bathroom for the boy, but we just came into this one. Oh, Victor's for Michigan. I think that's the bathroom over there. Tyler, I think that's it right there. So he's gonna go in there, and then I think what we're gonna do is just kind of come over here. And you want to say anything in front of this Michigan thing? Want to do a dance or anything?
I don't have it in mind.
College of Literature, Arts and Sciences. And we have a pretty nice setting right here. Let's do a quick, short little dance. You got one? You got one in mind? Are you sure? Trying to think about it? So we're also going to just kind of show you the, this is a Science Learning Center. And it has all these bricks, so I think, I'm going to guess it used to be outside. And then they put this up here, is what I'll guess. You sure you don't want to do a dance? I was hoping she might, but we're going to show you more. But this is a little bit of context of University of Michigan, and we're going to keep on strolling around. So that's a little 360 here. Science Learning Center right there.
It's so big.
It is big, isn't it? The whole campus is pretty big. School for Environment and Sustainability. Michigan Woodland Wildflowers. These are some of the names of the flowers.
Well, I know. I have a dance girl.
You have a dance in mind? You want to do it right here? Or you want to do it up there in the shade? Or you want to find a good spot?
Here in front of the flowers, because this dance is part of it.
Okay. So we're in front of the Samuel T.
And
Dana
it's
building.
called flowers.
Ooh. Here, Tyler. Wow.
It's from Blackpink.
Blackpink? It has a flower reference.
It's from Blackpink.
What's the name of the song?
Flowers.
Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna walk down through the campus a little bit, and we're just kind of checking out the different faculties. So we just saw environmental sustainability one. We saw science learning center, I think. And then this one looks like a laboratory. See that red phone booth right there? It says emergency. So I think I heard college campuses will have those, I guess. It's kind of interesting too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling all the way through and check out all that we can see. There's some students over here coming up. So I don't know if they just got out of class or yeah. But maybe we'll walk in that direction. So we're kind of walking, basically the University of Michigan is kind of mixed with city and college dormitories. So we're gonna walk through this a little bit. And I guess we're gonna walk, I think we're just gonna walk straight down and then we'll just hit that main street again and then we'll walk across. Actually, a lot of these students have badges on them. So they might actually be visitors. Let's see if we can walk through. No. I will come find and now we're, oh, okay, you know what? This might be, this says orientation. Yeah. So, you know, this might be for incoming freshmen to come in and kind of get used to the campus. Yeah. So they're all heading down a certain direction. They all have the name tag, so I guess that could be it. Flip the camera this way for a moment. And we're gonna flip it this way. And what we're gonna do is walk into the town a little bit and take a East Hall.
Which is right where they're going.
They're going to East Hall for their orientation, right? I think so too. And you know what? I think actually it's going to be close enough that we could actually walk into Pinball Pete's, because I think it opens at 12. Oh, you know what? Also, all these buildings, they over there, anyways, they have ivy. All that green leaves that grow up with those. That's called ivy. So a lot of college campuses, have you ever heard of like an Ivy League college?
Yeah.
That's why, because a lot of these old buildings, they have ivy growing on the walls. And that's ivy over there. And this isn't an Ivy League. This is like a state school, but it's considered such a great school that it's like pretty much equivalent to the Ivy League schools. And now we're on University Avenue. And now we got more students too. And then you can kind of see how things are mixed in between the So you can see how things are mixed into with the streets and also the campus as well. Village Voice, I just saw, I don't want to turn the camera around too much, but there's also some, I wonder if we should go into some of these. Do you want to see it real quick? Maybe we'll just take a brief look. I'll have to turn the camera off, but okay, so we're kind of checking everything out. Then we're going to keep on walking down a little bit. And I think we're going to also see, we're going to go all the way down to where Pinball Pizza's at and just see if there's anything else interesting to see. Oh, like a small village. Let me see. Okay. So this is kind of the main street right here. And that goes down to, kind of mixes into the university. We're gonna walk across. Yeah, things are more lively now. We're gonna walk across this way. There's a cantina, bookstore, and you can also sit outside as well. textbooks. Oh, that music. That song is really old.
Hours before the like meet.
So let me see, Vape City. I think we're gonna try to end in Pinball Pete's, so we're just gonna take a look, glance in there, and I'll see if I can turn the camera on in there in a second if I can. If not, this will be the last shot.
Insomnia cookies.
Oh yeah. Insomnia cookies is over there. Students that can't sleep at night time. How much is the parking? This is called. I'm not sure, but I'll just show them this real quick. Okay. So we're gonna just show this real quick. I don't know if I can actually bring a camera in here. But I think I will for a few minutes. But yeah, this is kind of like legendary with all the stuff in here. Pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna end it in a moment, but we got all kinds of cool stuff here. But anyways, so this is the campus at Michigan, and this is kind of a cool little area. Got pinballs back there. Okay, I'm gonna have you. Can you just do that real quick, and I'll just film it and I'll end it. So we're gonna end right here at the pinball machine. And we're driving out of Port Huron, driving out of Ann Arbor. So we just visited the University of University of Michigan campus. And that'll be it for Ann Arbor. Some of the housing. And we got a sign to the left. We'll just capture that last one. It says Ann Arbor Muffler. There it is.